Hello, Internet Academy scholars. Mrs. Olson here. I hope everyone enjoyed their long 4-day weekend, in part because of Memorial Day. It is week 18 in second semester. That means that we are almost done. May's NPR reports were sent out last week, or you will see them early this week from your advisory teachers. Make sure to go to the ALE app and click the box saying you have received it. And if you don't know how to do that, watch the video on the global announcements. The end of the school year is fast approaching. Get those assignments submitted and edited. All right, the quote for this week is by Jim Rohn, who said, "Don't just read the easy stuff. You may be entertained by it, but you will never grow from it." All right, everyone, have a great week. Bye.